What's up guys, me Lucas from Standard Dude. Today we got a Beyblade X unboxing. We have Wand Wizard 570 DB or disc ball. My last one where I unboxed the Wand Wizard, that one had 160 in rush. Now this one is the stock combo, where it has 570 in disc ball. And on the back of the box, it says there's strong centrifugal force, so as it spins, it'll spin faster. And not spin fast, but longer, with more airflow. Alright, let's let it rip. This one also comes with a light launcher, but it looks like this one doesn't have like this color one like the John Buster. Hasbro. So this one you just put to the side. It would have been cool if they had a black one with the yellow ripcord. Here's a layer itself. Like green Wand Wizard. Man, that thing is so beat. So it's good to finally get a new one. And these are the stock combos. So these parts are alright. 570s, meh. But the disc ball is pretty good. But I think the original ball is still top tier. Here's the layer itself. You see the blades. Very symmetrical as it spins. Here's the 570, so 5 points, 7 millimeter height, and it's in this yellow translucent color. And here's the disc ball. Pretty cool. Let's put it together. Oh, let me show you the code for the back for the app if you need it. Alright, now on to the test battle and test spin. Alright, so now we're going to do a test spin of the Wand Wizard or Wizard Rod stock combo and see how that goes. Now let's just do some regular test battles. Hell's Hammer with 960 taper. Good hits from both. Wizard Rod takes that one. Hell's Hammer again. Stock combo's pretty good actually. Right, Lance, stock combo. Oh, good hit right there. Kill the stamina. Ooh. We got Phoenix Swing on 360 rush. Looks like it's gonna be stamina. Man, Wizard rotates to the end. Rotates. How about you do with the 560? Up against the other wizard, 160 ball. Who's the better wizard, the green one or the top one? Looks like the ball took it. Anyways, that concludes today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.